Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I will be comparing the antutu benchmark between the Realme 6i and 6 smartphone, which has the Helio G90T processor versus the Helio G95 processor. So recently, the Realme has launched the Realme 7 with a new processor from the MediaTek, which is called the Helio G95 processor. So in this video, I'll be just showing you the antutu benchmark score comparison with the Helio G95 processor. So let's see how much difference is actually there between the Helio G90T processor and 95 processor. So if the difference is not much, it doesn't make any sense to buy this phone for the performance, because we can get actually for the less price the Realme 6i for this kind of close to same kind of performance. So make sure to subscribe for my channel, and also do check the links in description for what live wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones. So overall, the processor difference, you can see there is only 5 number increased from the previous version of the Helio G90T processor. You may think the performance is a lot more better, or how much is better, but actual thing is that there is not much difference is happening at the moment between both of the phones. So right now you can see the antutu benchmark score between the Realme 6 which is a 2,91,000, and whereas the Realme 7 is of 3,27,000, as you can see here. So which is very much close to the same kind of score which I got in my device in the Realme 6 and 6i as well, as you can see, which is a close of 2,90,000, the same kind of score. So overall, there is only difference of 10,000 difference between the Realme 6 and Realme 7. So only there's a minute amount of difference between both of the processors, Helio G90T and Helio G95. So there is not a huge and significant amount of difference in terms of the performance. So definitely, if you are into the phone who is buying the Realme 7 only for looking at the processor, then that doesn't make any sense, because there is not that significant increase in terms of the performance. So there are other aspects good about this mobile phone. One is the 5000 mAh of battery, which is a very good thing, and second is the second version of the 64 megapixel camera lens. So that is also another second advantage in the Realme 7. But the processor is not the main advantage in my opinion, because of this Helio G95. There is not much difference between the both processors, Helio G90T and G95. So maybe if they add the other processor which has better antutu benchmark score more than 3 lakhs, then that would be fine, I guess. So these are just comparison between the antutu scores of both the processors. So I just want to show you this kind of score comparison side by side, so you can understand clearly which phone has how much benchmark score right now. So that's it, friends. This is a small video which I just want to compare, and for more videos make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.